In this lesson, I am going to tell you how we can use biological systems and then use metaphors to compare biological cell to different things. In this particular slide, I have taken neuron and temple together as an example of studying and to find out what they mean to us. We can try this type of using metaphor in different cell system, both in plants and also in animals. Let's try. There is nothing wrong, there is nothing right in what we are doing. It's only a kind of a creative thinking where you can create some material and enjoy that material on your own. It may not be useful for your examination, but that will be a kind of recreational activities. You can do that. Let us try. Come on, I will try with the neuron. You can try later on with other things. Look at this slide which is on your screen. Here you have a image in the left side. To the right, some descriptions are there, both in Kannada and in English. Let us try to identify the images. There are two images in the current slide. Some of you can identify that. Just to help you, I will say the one in the brown color is a temple. I don't know which temple, which god is there in that, but I would say in that temple there is a god I call it the neuron. Neuron is a temple now, and inside the temple there is a god, and that god is DNA. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನಿನ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ನ್ಯೂರಾನನ್ನು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಉಪಮಾನ ಉಪಮೇಯಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನನ್ನು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೇವಾಲಯದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ದೇವರು ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೇವರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೇವಾಲಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ದೇವರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ದೇವರು, ಯಾವ ದೇವರಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವರು DNA, ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿರೈಬೋ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. DNA ದೇವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. DNA ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೂ ಅದು ಶಬ್ದ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಒಳಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಬೋಸೋಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ DNA ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನೀವು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೋಶಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಸಹಿತ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮತ್ತು ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೋಶ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಒಂದು PPTಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಚಿತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಾಲಯ ಇತ್ತು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು. In the previous PPT there were two images. One image represented the temple, the other one, that temple was replaced by neuron. That means I referred neuron as a temple. If there is a temple, there must be a god, unless that is a very old and demolished temple. There may not be a god in that, but the one you go and worship, there will be a god. Now, if you go to different temples, you may find different gods. Similarly, you think of cells like we have uh, plant cells, we have animal cells, we have skin cells, and then we have muscle cells, then we have many other types of small cells in the body. In the plant also we have cells like we have epithelial cells, then we have stomatal cells we have. So we have many types of cells in the living systems. Let's imagine each cell is a temple. Let's take the example of skin cell. Now imagine skin cell is a temple. And inside this skin cell there must be a nucleus, and that will contain a DNA. That is the God, let's say. DNA is the God. What is the function of the skin cell? You can imagine. Skin is present all over the body in different ways, in different shapes, but it might do some function or similar function. Similarly, in the plant also there may be different types of cells. Some cells may contain chloroplast, other cells may not contain chloroplast. The cells containing chloroplast normally will have a nucleus, and that nucleus will be directing the chloroplast to do something else. So now if you do something, an exercise like that, writing some funny things, whatever you feel like, you enjoy writing that. As I told you, there is no right, there is no wrong, and whatever you create is your own creation. Try to create something and try to enjoy comparing the different part of a cell to different parts, maybe non-living things. In this case, I have compared the cell to a temple. You can compare the cell to anything you like. Try to imagine and build up something, some story. Let's enjoy that in the next time. Now, take an example like RBC in the human body. There is no nucleus in that. You know how long a RBC can live? ಕೆಂಪು ರಕ್ತ ಕಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, DNA ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಎಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ChatGPTಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 3 ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಪಾಠ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಫನ್. ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಫನ್ and you create something new which is not in the textbooks nor your teacher has taught. That's where the creativity comes into you. Thank you. Try for it and try to enjoy. Credits. The only one thing I have to give my credits to would be ChatGPT, where I got some information and I gave my own feelings to that. I mean my own imagination, and that ChatGPT was able to create something for me. I would like to give my credits to that one. You can try your own so that you can create many things on your own. Creativity comes in by using artificial intelligence nowadays. Try.